Hi, welcome back to yet another cooking, baking, drink making, because today we're making drinks. Hot chocolate. We're making hot chocolate. Imperfect drink making video. So let's go over the ingredients that we need first. Milk, granulated sugar, unsweetened cocoa powder, vanilla extract, chocolate chips. Put the milk and cocoa powder and sugar in a small saucepan, heat over medium to low heat, and whisk frequently until warm but not boiling. And then we're going to add in the chocolate chips and whisk constantly until the chocolate chips melt and distribute evenly. Then at the end, we add in our vanilla extract. So I'm making one serving. I'm gonna need a cup of milk. I'm using half a cup at first. I'm gonna do 2 of these. Okay, so 1 cup of milk, and then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 1 tablespoon and 2. Now we're going to mix that up until it gets warmed up. Just whisking away. Just whisk all your worries away. I am probably going to just eyeball the chocolate chips because I personally don't want mine to be too sweet. Now this is the point where we realize why this is called imperfect baking, because it just came to me that I put in 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and I was only supposed to put in 1. So it's going to be extra chocolatey. But I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. To check out the recipe, which will be linked below if you do want to follow it, because I am not a very reliable source. Okay, so we added in the sugar. We're just going to whisk together again. Start adding my chocolate chips. I have these ones. I really enjoyed these chocolate chips. They're very yummy. Ten out of 10. And I'm just going to whisk it so they can melt down. One last time, we're going to divert from the recipe on purpose this time, not on accident. I'm going to add some half and half in mine because I personally like my hot chocolate to be a little bit creamier. Pour a little bit in by ear. I mean, not by ear. I'm going to pour it in by ear. No, I'm going to just eyeball it. There you go. Add the last ingredient, which is vanilla extract. They say to add 1/8 of a teaspoon, but if you remember from my last video, I said that I don't really ever measure vanilla extract. I kind of just pour it in, so we're gonna third time not following the recipe here. There we go. Just a splash. All right, and once that's all combined, we're gonna pour it into our cup, sunflower mug here. Make sure it's cooled down enough before you taste it, because if you burn your taste buds, you can't taste the hot chocolate that well. So that is very good hot chocolate. You can use other milk alternatives as well if you don't drink dairy milk. And what else? Oh yeah, just a splash of vanilla extract as well. I didn't measure it out, but the recipe will be included down below. Hot chocolate is a success. Thank you for watching, and I hope yours turns out good as well if you do decide to make it, or if you just watch for fun, then thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice rest of your day, evening, or yeah, whenever you're watching it. Bye, thank you.